These beef burritos are high in protein, quick and easy to make, absolutely delicious and so good for meal prep. First thing I'm going to do is chop up some veggies. I'm going to use an onion and pepper, but as always you can use some others if you've got bits and pieces lying around in the fridge you want to use up. Just pop them into a frying pan with some oil and fry for a few minutes until they soften. Then to that we're going to add in the garlic. We're using about 10 grams for this. And the herbs and spices, you could use like a generic taco seasoning, but I'm preferring to use individual ones. So we're using cumin, coriander, oregano, smoked paprika, and one of the key ingredients I think is chili flakes, but I'm using chipotle chili flakes. So use chipotle flakes if you can get them. If not, regular chili flakes will be fine. Add your tomato puree and just fry that for a further 30 seconds before adding your mince to the pan and then just browning that. I'm using beef mince. You could use turkey mince, chicken, pork, whatever, but I think beef best for this. Then season with salt and add in your low-fat cream cheese and your grated mozzarella and just mix that through until it is melted. Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe. For serving these, I like a big dollop of salsa on a whole grain wrap, and then you're going to add your mince mixture on top of that. Wrap up. If you've never done a burrito, you fold in the sides, tuck the top bit under the mince and keep rolling it. Then give them a wee toast in the same frying pan, just on a medium heat, literally a couple of seconds each side. This helps stop the burrito falling apart and gives it more flavour. And then, like I said, it's great for meal prep because it gives you about 5 of them. You can pop them in the fridge and have them later. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And if you want the full recipe, you can get it in my Food for Fitness Recipes app. There's a link in the description. See ya!